Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making avocado dinner roll. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. So let's get started. Here I have 1/4 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of sugar, then I'll gently stir it in. Then I'll add 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. Also stir it to dissolve a little bit and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Here I have a medium-sized avocado, diced. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of lemon. You can use lime or apple cider vinegar. Okay. Then I'll add 1/2 cup of warm water and blend it till it's smooth. This is fine. Here's the proof yeast. I'll add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, salt. Then I'll add the blended avocado, 1 egg. Then I'll knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. This is fine. I'll grease my bowl. Then place the kneaded dough inside. 2 drops of olive oil. Then smoothen it out. And cover with a tea towel and let it rise for about 30 to 45 minutes. This is fine. I'll punch it down. Flour my workstation. Then place the dough on my workstation. Gently knead it to degas it. Then divide it into 9 equal portions. Okay. Here I'll take a piece, flour my hands, then shape it by pinching the edges together. Okay, and repeat the same process for the remaining 8. Nice. Then I'll cover with a tea towel and let it double in size for about 30 to 45 minutes. This is fine. Now it's ready for the oven. I'll bake it at 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown. And here is our delicious avocado dinner roll. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.